Hey everybody, welcome to the backyard with us here at Bones and Brews today. So we're gonna, if you haven't noticed, I've been a lot about quick and easy recipes lately, appetizers, dips. That's just kind of what I'm into right now. So I got another one for you today, only a couple of ingredients that I think you're gonna love. So we're gonna start with, got a small cast iron pan here. You can use a small pan, so you do not need a big pan for this dish, just so you know, all right? So if you use a pan, you might want to lightly oil it as well. So this, what we use, those ingredients don't really get too stuck and sticky to the bottom of it, although there is going to be some stickiness happening here, and we'll explain what that is in just a minute. So we got ourselves a block of feta, not pre-crumbled, a full block of feta cheese, 8-ounce block here. So we're going to take this block of cream cheese and we are going to get it opened up and place it into the bottom of this pan. Feta cheese is one of those cheeses that I really enjoy. I still feel like I eat enough of it, so I'm kind of excited about this one today. So we're going to take that feta cheese, and now we're going to take some Mike's hot honey. You can just get some spicy honey, or grab yourself regular honey and add a little hot sauce to it, just maybe about a quarter tablespoon or so, and just mix it together that way as well to make your own hot honey. But we're going to use that Mike's hot honey because I absolutely love this stuff. So we're going to put that Mike's hot honey across the top. When we're all said and done, it's probably going to be about a quarter to half cup of honey here. I just want to fully coat it. It'll run off of there once it gets nice and warm inside that smoker as well. And then next we're going to take just a little bit of thyme. I'm going to take a couple sprigs of that thyme here and sprinkle some of that across the top as well. We're going to use some more this time at the very end of this dish, just as a great little side garnish. This will give it some great flavor. So once again, just a couple of ingredients. As you can see, I got that Weber Smoky Mountain behind me going at about 275 to 300. And we're going to throw this on there. It won't take very long at all, probably about 20-25 minutes. We'll come back and check it. Let's get this on the smoker, my friends. There you go. There's a good look for you, friends. Oh yeah, let's get it on there. Hey friends, let's take a look at that smoked spicy honey feta. Woo, yeah, baby. It'll be ready in about 20 more minutes. All right, friends, we have pulled that spicy honey feta off of that smoker. This cast iron is still nice and hot, but I'll give you guys a glimpse. That honey was just nice and bubbly down in the bottom as well. You can smell the sweetness in that feta. I mean, just the smell of it right now is incredible. I've gone ahead and placed some extra, little bit of that thyme across the side. There's just a nice little garnish as well. I cannot wait to try this out. You could use this with a toasted bread. I've got myself some pita chips here. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test here and see how spicy it'll be with that Mike's hot honey. Sometimes that Mike's hot honey is a little bit hotter than other hot honeys out there, but it is my favorite. I have to admit, folks, for something as easy as this recipe with only a limited amount of ingredients, there's a complexity there with that feta, that Mike's hot honey, and even that little bit of thyme across the top. There's something that makes those three blend together perfectly, where this is not your normal cheese dip. This is, if you want to wow people when they're coming over and want to have a little appetizer for them, I would highly recommend this. You might even throw a little, maybe some cherry tomato across the top or something if you want to as well, but you don't need anything. I mean, that pita chip and that feta is absolutely incredible. I didn't know how this was going to turn out, friends. I'll be honest with you. I'm in love. I'm in love with this dish. I will be making it again and again and again, especially when people say, hey, can you bring something over when they're having guests over? This might be one of my top go-tos from now on out, because I have a feeling people will never expect this. And even though I was using that Mike's hot honey is typically, you really do usually get that heat on the back end. and that feta really it really kind of brings that it milds it down a little bit. This is incredible, friends. I've got to get another one. I really hope you guys try this recipe. We'll put everything in the description for you, and hopefully you love it. If you do, make sure you make a comment for us as well. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. We'll see you guys again on Bones and Brews.